Hello everyone, I'm Oath. I live in the United States. Several months ago, I was cooking Thai pudding, Thai style pudding, but it's not really the right ingredient. If you watch my cooking video, sometimes I mentioned already I don't like cooking and I'm not good at cooking at all, but since I live in the United States, I have to learn. I don't want to learn to cook, but anyway, I can do just little better than in Thailand, because in Thailand I never cook. Anyway, this ingredient I look on YouTube and I found that not too difficult, but I cook as I thought. It's unusual recipe ingredient. I supposed to get taro, but I couldn't find any in the farmer market, so I grab malanga, if I'm not wrong the word malanga, right? I search, but at the time I speak, I'm not at home, I'm driving. Okay, it looks like taro, but the taste like potato, like not sweet potato, not exactly, just potato. Okay, and then I also had ripe banana. Then I boil malanga and banana I didn't boil, I just keep it refrigerator. I match the malanga and then mix well, and then add banana and mix in the flour. I don't remember the name, how to call it in English again. The flour, like rice flour, not sticky rice flour, but I think both of them have the specific name to call on the pack. I will show you the picture, okay? And then just make well as on YouTube I watch. I think they put in the pan, right? You can see on my picture. As I told you, I'm not at home, I'm driving, but I would like to talk because now it's raining. Okay, and I should not to add sugar because I don't like sweet much. And then when it's cooked, wow, it's come out very well. I very surprised that I can cook. And the topping, that is the most part, my favorite part. Coconut milk, adding sugar a little bit, and then add the rice flour again to make it a little bit sticky, and pouring on top of the first part. And that's all. I really enjoy eating this just only little plain. I should add more sugar to make the taste sweet, because they originally a little bit sweet but not very sweet, and moisture, but my pudding dry. Anyway, I can eat what I really want to eat for decades. Yes, it is hard to live overseas, which doesn't have much Thai food in the location. I mean some Thai restaurant, but they don't sell every kind of Thai food, right? I watch YouTube people in New York, in LA. I'm really jealous because there are several Thai stores selling food and I see many store they showing in that big city. There are many kind of dessert and Thai food. Same like in Thailand. I'm jealous. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and listening. I will tell you more about my cooking and my life and my activity. If you would like to know, or if you're not but you're visiting, I am really appreciate of your time. Have a good day. Bye.